Dear students, today we learn national income. Meaning of national income. National income means the total money value of all final goods and services produced in a country during a particular period of a time, normally a year. Some basic concept of national income: GDP, GNP, NNP, GNP at factor cost, personal income, disposable income, per capita income, real income, GDP depleter. The first one, gross domestic product. GDP is the total market value of final goods and services produced within a country during a year. This is calculated at market prices and is known as GDP at market prices. GDP by expenditure method at market prices: C plus I plus G plus bracket of X minus M, where C consumption goods, I investment goods, G government purchases, X exports, M imports. Bracket of X minus M is net export, which can be positive or negative. Next one, net domestic product. NDP is the value of net output of the economy during the year. Some of the country's capital equipment wears out or becomes outdated each year during the production process. Thus, net domestic product equal to GDP minus depreciation. Depreciation means tear and wear expenses of capital goods. Next one, gross national product, GNP. GNP is the total measure of flow of final goods and services at market value resulting from current production in a country during a year, including income from abroad. Next one, net national product, NNP at market price. Net national product refers to value of net output of the economy during the year. It is expressed as NNP equal to GNP minus depreciation allowance. Next, NNP at factor cost. NNP refers to the market value of output, whereas NNP at factor cost is the total of income payment made to factors of production. NNP at factor cost equal to NNP at market price minus indirect taxes plus subsidies. Next, personal income. Personal income is the total income received by the individuals of a country from all sources before payment of direct taxes in a year. Personal income equal to national income minus bracket of social security contribution and undistributed corporate profits plus transfer payment. Next, disposable income. Disposable income is also known as disposable personal income. It is the individual income after the payment of income tax. This is amount available for household for consumption. Next, per capita income. The average income of a person of a country in a particular year is called per capita income. Per capita income is obtained by dividing national income by population. Next, real